Hey, welcome back to the shop, or should I say my outside wood pile. Hey, sun's out today. I've got one round left before the end of firewood season. It's one that I left that I could not split. Well, I could have split it, but it had four limbs coming into it, four big knots, and I'm all for putting forth some effort to get work done, but not that much effort. So with the sun being out, I thought, you know what, I'm going to grab one of my favorite saws, the Pioneer Farmsaw, head out to the backyard, and let's take care of some business that I need to take care of. So let's get to it. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I just had some free time and I thought, you know what, I got to round out in the backyard. It's got a ton of knots in it and I'm not going to be able to split it. So I thought, you know what, why not grab one of my favorite saws, the Pioneer Farmsaw, and get at it, which is what I did. So hope you enjoyed that. This saw just punches above its weight. That was some tough cutting right there. It's throwing some good chips, pulling hard, and I really put it through its paces. But I love running this saw. Like I said, it's just one of my favorites. If you get a chance to pick one up, do. Thanks for joining me. I'll catch you on the next video.